Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Parsing JSON in Python, a beginner's tutorial. JSON, JavaScript Object Notation, is a lightweight format for data interchange that is easy for humans to read and write and easy for machines to parse and generate. Python provides built-in support for parsing JSON data using the JSON module. What you will learn: 1. Understanding JSON format. 2. Loading JSON data from a string. 3. Loading JSON data from a file. 4. Converting Python objects to JSON. 5. Common operations with JSON data. 1. Understanding JSON format. JSON represents data in name/value pairs. Here's a simple example of JSON data. 2. Loading JSON data from a string. To parse JSON data from a string, you can use the json.loads function. Example: 3. Loading JSON data from a file. If you have a JSON file, you can read and parse it using the json.load function. Example: assume you have a file named data.json with the following content. You can parse it like this. 4. Converting Python objects to JSON. You can convert Python objects, like dictionaries or lists, into JSON format using the json.dumps function for strings or json.dump for files. Example of json.dumps. Example of json.dump. 5. Common operations with JSON data. Accessing data. JSON data can be accessed like Python dictionaries. Modifying data. You can modify the data structure just like a dictionary. Iterating. You can iterate through the keys and values in a JSON object. Example of iterating over JSON data. Conclusion: parsing JSON in Python is straightforward with the JSON module. You can easily load JSON data from strings or files, manipulate it as needed, and convert Python objects back to JSON. This tutorial covers the essential operations you need to start working with JSON in Python. Additional resources: Python official documentation for JSON module, https://docs.python.org/3/library/json.html. Feel free to experiment with the provided code examples to gain a better understanding of how to work with JSON in Python.